If you're in the market for a new apartment home on the Eastern Shore, you'll love East Bay Apartment Homes in Daphne.
Our high tide floor plan features 1,100 square feet of living space.
The kitchen has energy-efficient appliances.
While each unit varies, common flooring options include plush carpeting, ceramic tile, or luxury vinyl plank. This unit also features in-home laundry connections, as well as a private patio or balcony.
You'll love our wonderful amenities, including a boardwalk pier on Mobile Bay, an Olympic-sized saltwater pool, a pet park, a pavilion and grill area, and much, much more. Call or text 251-626-0234 to schedule your tour today.